Zoe Linda here, and welcome to the first day of my spring cleaning tips series. So, if you're watching this, basically, I am doing 5 days of tips to help you spruce up your affiliate program or client referral program. And yeah, I'm going to dive straight in with the first tip. So, the first tip is to update your affiliate links. And I don't mean like links that you use to promote other people's things. I mean the links that you use for your affiliates to send people to your website. So I want you to take a look at the links that you have set up for affiliates. And this might be depending on the software that you use to track your affiliate sales. You could have links for individual products. You could have links to your website as a whole. But I want you to take a look at what you have and see where are affiliates sending their people to. And yeah, just have a look if have you reworked any parts of your sales funnel, especially like at the top of your sales funnel? Have you created like new freebies that you want affiliates to send people to? And I want you to make sure that any like updates or edits, or maybe you found in your affiliate software that affiliates are still sharing a link to a freebie that you deactivated like last month. Just make sure that everything that is in there is still available for affiliates to share, and that it's going to correctly track affiliate sales. So a common mistake that I see affiliate program creators doing is having affiliates send people to like one platform or one domain for a landing page, and the checkout happens on a different domain or a different software, and the affiliate capabilities of that software doesn't track across domains, or it doesn't track across different tech platforms. A good example of this would be Tapfiliate. It only allows you to track affiliate links on one domain. So if you, for example, are sending people to a landing page on ClickFunnels, and then your sale actually happens in Teachable or Samcart, then affiliate sales might not necessarily track if you don't have those things set up. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to look at your affiliate tracking software and see what landing pages, sales pages, and more, like other website pages, shop pages, anything that you have is set up to be available for affiliates to use to create their own affiliate links and send their people to. If you need to remove, correct, or add any domains, now is the time to do it. And you might also have software that allows affiliates to create their own custom links. And have you made it clear in your onboarding and welcome materials to affiliates how they can do that? Maybe you have like a quick video you could film or step-by-step tutorial with GIFs or screenshots, just to make it really clear to them, like, hey, you can set up an affiliate link for any page of my website. And also making sure that you suggest to them the best pages for them to share. And this kind of ties in with like updating any domains that you do want to change, and updating any URLs is, what funnels, what freebies, what pages are doing the best, and how can you ask affiliates to, like, how can you get affiliates to share to those pages instead of maybe some older links that you have. So I'm going to show you a few examples of what I'm talking about. If you're still listening and you're like, what? I don't even know what you mean by these different affiliate links, then I'm going to show you. So I've logged into my Samcart affiliate account. So these are my links for if I want to refer Samcart to somebody. So you can see here, let me just move the controls. You can see here that I have affiliate links to their homepage, their Grow 7-day trial, their Scale 7-day trial, a demo of Samcart, so people can come on here and view to see like a behind the scenes. The pricing page, like this is great if I saw someone who was like posting in a Facebook group about, oh, how much is Samcart versus something else. I would be like, well, here's the pricing page, and it links to my referral link. A landing page specifically about their course platform, and then another 7-day trial for one of their other plans. So you can see here I'm mostly sending people to the homepage. Most of these clicks will be like from my resources page, which at time of recording is not quite live right now, but or from like mentions in my courses about affiliate platforms and things like that. But yeah, like I said, if I wanted to send someone to a specific trial, all of these links are great. The only extra thing I would maybe add for them is like, I don't know, their YouTube channel, their blog. If they had a page where you could actually book a call with someone to demo, then maybe I would add something like that. But I think for the most part, these links are great. So I wanted to show that. And if you have Samcart, then this is what it kind of looks similar on the back end, but this is where you would come and see your links and edit them. Okay, then I have an example of Lead Dino. So this is me logged back into Lead Dino, like as an affiliate. I haven't really shared much about Lead Dino, so you can see here that don't really have a lot of clicks or anything. I think they have like a main link that I can use here. So I can copy this and this will go straight to the home page. But I've come over to this landing pages section and they have some extra links. So they have a link to the home page, a link to a specific piece about their integration with Shopify. So if someone's looking for an affiliate platform that links to Shopify, then I could send them this. Same with Stripe. Oh, I want an affiliate program. I need it to connect to Stripe checkouts. Then I can send them this. A live demo. This might be either like a webinar or you can book a call with them. I haven't actually looked at it, but I think that's still a great link. And then same with BigCommerce. So same with the integration. But again, they could probably add here like their blog, any other kind of educational resources. Maybe they have some kind of freebie, just to kind of, give people extra, or like, the pricing page, like what Samcart does. So that's kind of another example. And I'm going to show you in my back end. This is the back end in Thrivecart for JV Journey, which is my course to teach people how to set up a system for JV webinars. And if you have Thrivecart, you can come to the product name and then go product affiliates, and you're going to see a page like this. And then under affiliate options, you're going to see this is like the main link for this product. So Thrivecart is product by product with their affiliate links. It's not just like a one link for everything. So for each product, you want to have like a main link. And then you can see here, I also have links to my shop. So this is great if someone's like, you know what, I don't know exactly what Zoe has that's best for you. So I'm just going to link you to the shop. And I also have a freebie for JV Journey. I have a JV webinar conversion calculator. So I have a link for that too. And then I have a link for my upcoming spring cleaning sale. So affiliates can come in and get a link for that. And then they'll be attributed to every sale. And then I did mention custom links. So Affiliate WP does this pretty well. You can basically come in and affiliates can create their own custom links. So I've had this before where affiliate creators say, hey, I'm doing like a free webinar. Here's how you can create a link for that page if you want to. So that's pretty easy to do. And then I think Lead Dino also allows that. I'm not sure exactly where it was, but I did see somewhere you could create your own link. I was going to show Tapfiliate. Yeah. So Tapfiliate allows you to create your own links as well. You can basically say, it's for this specific program and whatever. You would add the link and then it would generate, and then you can use that as an affiliate link. So you can tell your affiliate, if you're using Tapfiliate, you can tell them here's the pages you want links for and here's how you create it. So yeah, that's kind of a bunch of different options and examples. So hopefully that makes sense and you can apply that to whatever tech you're using to be able to go through and take action here. Now, I did already mention my spring cleaning sale, but I just wanted to kind of call it out. So basically, my annual spring cleaning sale is coming up and it's going to be full of tools and resources to help you give your affiliate program the refresh it deserves. So kind of building on from this spring cleaning tip, if you want to give your affiliate program like a full spring clean, tidy up and polish, then the spring cleaning sale could be a really good fit for you. The sale starts Monday, May 13th. And if you join the waitlist, you're going to get access to the deals one day early, which I think is great if you need a little bit of extra time to decide what's right for you, or just a little bit more time to kind of look through everything, because I do have quite a lot of products in the sale. And yeah, the website is zoelinda.co.uk/spring-cleaning, and that will take you to this page where you can fill out your details and join the waitlist. You just have to type in your name, your email address, and click join, and then you're going to get a confirmation email in your inbox to just make sure that you're on the waitlist. But yeah, I really hope this spring cleaning tip was helpful for you. I'm going to be back tomorrow with my second tip. If you have any questions or anything like that, please do let me know. And yeah, happy to help out.